Here in Germany, children in some parts of the country are going back to school today as the summer holidays end. Schools are taking precautions to prevent the spread of coronavirus infections, but many parents complain that more than 1.5 years into the pandemic, authorities are still not doing enough to keep children safe and to ensure that lessons will be able to continue if cases surge again.
The final touch for the school opening. Here at this primary school in Schwerin in northern Germany, last preparations are underway. The decorations are ready, but other things are still a long way off. The online learning platform, for example. Here too, preparations have started, but the platform won't be ready when the students are back at school. We're looking at what is possible for now. We have formed a task group that deals with the platform intensively. They are consulting on a regular basis. They will try to answer questions like, how can we use it for our purposes? How can we make it accessible to parents as well as children? One thing is ready, the antigen rapid test. Twice a week, the children are tested for COVID-19 with the help of their teachers. Otherwise, the same measures as last year apply. For the first 2 weeks, the children will have to wear face masks in the entire school building and also during class. When they're outside, they can take them off. But we also have to air the classroom every 20 minutes, at least 3 to 5 minutes. Airing the rooms, another measure that hasn't changed since last year. Additional air filters or purification systems have not been installed. Open windows and doors ought to be enough. We have no problem whatsoever with the ventilation. The children have their jackets with them. They can take them on and off again. That's totally fine. The parents' representative disagrees. He wants air filters, especially for elementary schools. We called for purification systems 12 months ago, precisely to protect the weakest of society, those who cannot be vaccinated, children under the age of 12. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. We're exactly at the same level as last year, and that's not good. In Germany, COVID infections are rising again. Yet, everybody hopes that students will be able to come to school for as long as possible.
Well, for more on this, I'm joined by our chief political correspondent, Melinda Crane. Melinda, keeping schools open under pandemic conditions is a huge challenge. Can we expect things to be any better this year than they were last year?
There's no uniform answer to that question because schools' policy is largely in the hands of local and state authorities. But the fact is that while many schools have improved their preparedness, many others absolutely are lagging behind. 2 examples. The federal government allocated billions for catch-up programs designed to support schools in helping pupils who were lagging behind close the gaps due to missed classes. And the fact is that schools in many places have failed to use that funding and that opportunity. Secondly, air filters. We saw in the report, there's been endless debate on their merits in schools, unnecessary debate. We know that they work. When schools finally got around now to ordering air filters, many of them were too late. They've triggered a run on demand. Manufacturers can't deliver.
Well, if infection numbers, Belinda, surge again in the fall and winter as expected, will schools likely close again? And if so, are they better equipped to handle online learning now?
Right now, the schools that have gone back this week are meeting in in-person classes, but parents and teachers say they are fully aware that that could end and we could see renewed closures if infection rates continue to rise. On digitalization, again, a patchy picture. While the head of the Teachers Association of Germany says that teachers now have improved their digital skills, he says that at least half of schools don't have adequate internet connections. And the heads of parents associations say that many pupils still lack access to digital devices.
Melinda, thank you so much. That was our chief political correspondent, Melinda Crane.